Welcome to part 2 of our tutorial on ThreadFix tagging. Tagging is a powerful way to attach metadata to different items in ThreadFix. Designing the tagging scheme is an important step in planning your ThreadFix deployment because it impacts how you can search for and filter data to answer critical questions about your security program. Tagging can be done at 3 levels: at the application level, at the vulnerability level, and at the vulnerability comment level. In this video, we will talk about how to apply tags to vulnerabilities and vulnerability comments, and how these tags can be used to improve your remediation workflow as well as support compliance initiatives. First, let's take a look at vulnerability tags. When you create a vulnerability tag, you give it a name. Unlike application tags, you do not assign a risk value. The vulnerabilities should already have severities assigned to them based on the scans you uploaded to ThreadFix. Let's start by creating a tag for vulnerabilities related to governance of personally identifiable information, or PII for short. Other possible vulnerability tags like this could include ones for vulnerabilities that impact credit card information or protected health information. Using the vulnerability search function in the Analytics view, we can filter for vulnerabilities using these tags. This allows us to quickly identify vulnerabilities that have been tagged as having these attributes. These same filtering options are also available from the broader set of ThreadFix reports. Implementing workflows is another popular way to use the functionality of vulnerability tags. Using filters on the application page, we can identify vulnerabilities with the appropriate tags and retag them as needed. Here we can see a vulnerability tagged with Needs Review. Let's update it to mark it as reviewed. Using tags, you can mark progress through your workflow, identify vulnerabilities you have not yet had a chance to review, or even note ones you need a team member to review. Finally, we can tag vulnerability comments. ThreadFix gives you the ability to add comments to vulnerabilities. This lets you track what analysts are thinking as they triage vulnerabilities and work to clear out false positives. Vulnerability comment tags can be useful for identifying items of particular interest for various stakeholders. For example, tagging PCI-related vulnerabilities for auditors. When you run the ThreadFix remediation report, you can see the comments and their tags for open vulnerabilities, providing those stakeholders with additional context that can be useful in their evaluation. This vulnerability currently has no comments. Let's add a comment and tag that comment with PCI, along with a note from our remediation team to show the progress towards resolving this vulnerability. By adding metadata and comment tags to vulnerabilities, you can quickly identify which types of vulnerabilities your team needs to focus on and track their current status through remediation. Hopefully, this introduction to tagging vulnerabilities gives you new ideas on how to get more value from your ThreadFix deployment. Check out our other videos to learn how to use more of the advanced functionality of the platform. And as always, feel free to reach out to customer service with any questions.